finally coming to an end. It seems machine circles are the real Terminator. They often make their appearance last with a budget of 3298. One can have the flagship experience of 5 or 6,000 just now. I just released the real thing GT5 Pro. Now let me show you all comprehensively. Let's take a look at the color scheme of this new phone. It looks real. It's very low key, plus it has a round lens module and is delicate. At first glance there is a frosted glass back panel. The feeling of a high-end atmosphere and class is still used by him this time. The high-strength metal middle frame gives the texture of the whole machine. I also got a leap forward upgrade. Let's have a direct look at everyone. The performance aspect that I care about most definitely comes with the current powerful Snapdragon 8 and 3 performance iron triangle. I'm really looking forward to his performance in gaming. How about we speak with actual experience and the game begins? Before we turn on GT mode first, like this, only then can he maximize his full performance. If it's still not enough, you can continue to open it. His Geek Performance Panel 2.0, so you can be free. Adjust the maximum core frequency of each CPU that can be adjusted to 3.3 GHz. This is a professional gaming phone. There is no treatment at all. What is even more outrageous is that he also added GPU adjustment option to directly adjust the CPU. If all the GPUs are full, you can completely drain Halong 8. Follow all the performance of Sam and check the game results directly. The battery is still 100%. Let's run Genshin Impact with the highest image quality first. We also run the map to do the entrusted task. Keep fighting monsters. His GP performance is really great. Fierce average rate 59.5. Basic okay. Full course. No one is running at 60 FPS full frame. We fought. Only 9% of the battery was lost in half an hour. The ambient temperature is about 13 degrees, plus it's 12,000 square millimeters. VC cooling phone temperature is only about 36 degrees. Let's take a look at the battery capacity of Peace Elite and the usage of 90 streams. 90 frames for him to test this economical game regularly. It requires multiple operations, so it relies heavily on screen touch. GT5 Pro has a 2160 Hz esports touch engine. I myself am an urban gamer. This screen gives me swipe feedback with no touch lag at all. It's very hands-on. You can also sit on the slide. Game Toolbox deeply adjust his touch levels. It's really useful to us gamers, and we repeat it all. The performance of the steel gun in Land of the Sun, where many people jump. Really fierce, jumping more than 20 people at the same time. In the case of a steel gun, he can easily win. Average rate at 90 FPS, 89.4 base. A straight line can be achieved to match this silk screen. The game experience is directly slow, so I want to use it to play. Brothers who eat chicken can still let go of their youth. Finished 41 minutes and lost 18% of the phone. The temperature is only about 35 degrees. This winter is really camp. Finally, let's have a quick look at the performance of King of Glory. Smile 8 and 3 facing the king. This little game is simply no pressure. Average rate 119.2 can easily run Munzen, and this time he also upgraded the game exclusive. The Memory Pro can play games at full health even if switching back and forth in the background does not kill the background simply. Brother, you can beat the king with this kind of performance. Close your eyes and enter OK. Played for half an hour and lost 10% of the power. The maximum temperature of the mobile phone is only about 32 degrees. It can be said that it's very good. In this aspect, Sony's Lightfield LED 808 main camera is also an MX890 super large bottom goes to the airport and the hardware. Advantages plus super light and shadow engine time algorithm is easy to use. Every shot has the flavor of light and shadow as well as GT. The screen of 5 tribes is also very bright, can reach an astonishing 4,500 nits and a global maximum of 1,600 nits. Manual up to 1,000 nits and high brightness SVM paper less than 0.25. This is a piece of display brightness. No effects at all slowing down the screen. The color is very delicate from the current point of view. It's a 5K champion screen that cannot find a rival. Others. There's also a large 5400 mAh battery plus 100 watt fast charging plus 50 watt wireless charging dual speakers. The detailed functions and configurations of the motor have not been left out. To be honest, my body is completely shattered. It's not as flagship as a phone in this price range. The configuration of 12 plus 250N machine